Hi there, how are you? My name is Munawar. I'm from Toronto, Canada, and I used to be a former resident of Zimbabwe, a businessman, and a former chairman of Pakistan Zimbabwe Friendship Association. But I left Zimbabwe in 2012 due to the economic situation of Zimbabwe, and moved to South Africa and Pakistan, and then I came here a few years ago in Canada. I want to talk something about Zimbabwe's economic crisis, and I want to request and I want to appeal to the five permanent members of the United Nations and the Secretary General of the United Nations, the Amnesty International, and all human watchdogs. And especially, I would like to request to the independent media to highlight this issue. Zimbabwe is a beautiful country, and I spent there about 15 years of my prime life, my quality time with my family and with my all friends from Pakistan and other parts of the world. I found Zimbabwe is a beautiful country and prosperous country, and neat and clean. The climate was very good. The uh, everything. The people are very patient and very nice. I never saw such a patient nation in the world. They are facing crisis since 2005 when United Nations put sanctions on Zimbabwe due to the white and black people conflict on land reforms, which has now left 15 years. And I think now the situation is in Zimbabwe is so bad. There is no light, there is no water, there is no sanitation, there is no any infrastructure, no roads, and there is no business, no, I mean, anything, any civic facilities in Zimbabwe. So I owe something to return to that country. Though I'm living in Canada and I'm not suffering those things, but I was thinking that I should highlight these issues and to brought into the notice of the five permanent members of the United Nations and the other people who are the responsible to do this and to lift the sanctions on Zimbabwe due to the COVID 19 virus. Zimbabwe, there is a lockdown for 3 weeks, and the people are greatly suffering. Their monthly wages are equal to, I think, $20 per month, and how they are surviving. Nobody can imagine it, because I used to live there and I know their sufferings, their misery, and I would like to request all these big guys to please look into it and remove their sanctions and make Zimbabwe prosper and lift all the travel bans on Zimbabwe. That is a very good country. There is no any threat from Zimbabwe to any neighboring country. That is, Zimbabwe is not making any nuclear weapons or anything. I mean, that is a peaceful country on the earth. So I would like again to the superpowers, to British, especially the British Prime Minister and the Queen, please look into the matter and on humanitarian basis lift all sanctions and all travel ban on Zimbabwe and make their life easy. Thank you so much. Have a great day.